When your Rinnai tankless water heater shows error code 11, it means the unit attempted to ignite but failed to create a flame. In simple terms, the burner isn't lighting, so no hot water is produced. Ignition depends on several components working together. The gas supply must deliver proper fuel pressure, the igniter must create a strong spark, the flame sensor must confirm combustion, and the venting system must allow proper airflow for safe burning. If any one of these fails, ignition stops and code 11 appears. Common causes include a closed or partially closed gas valve, low gas pressure, a dirty or cracked igniter, buildup on the flame rod, or blocked intake and exhaust vents. Even something as simple as debris in the burner area can prevent proper ignition. Since ignition and gas-related issues are among the most frequent tankless heater problems, code 11 is one of the most commonly reported errors. Before inspecting anything, turn off power and shut off the gas supply for safety. Start by confirming the gas valve is fully open and that other gas appliances in your home are working. Then visually inspect the igniter and flame rod for dirt, soot, or damage, and clean gently if needed. Check vent pipes for blockages like dust, nests, or debris that could restrict airflow. If gas pressure seems low, you smell gas, or you're unsure about handling internal components, contact a licensed technician immediately. Regular annual flushing and maintenance are critical, especially in hard water areas, to prevent buildup that can interfere with ignition.